back with another video. Today I have an unboxing of the iPhone 8 in product red. This is going in line from Apple's product red iPhone 7 from last year, which was announced 6 months after the iPhone 7 itself. This is going to be a special edition iPhone, so it's probably going to be discontinued like last year when the newer devices are going to come out in September. So taking a look around the box, it technically does have a distinctive box compared to the other iPhone 8s, since the borders, the actual color of the box isn't color matched with the phone as it is with the white with the red iPhone. If you had bought a black one, the space gray box would be a dark gray color, the gold one would have a cream color, and the silver one would have a slight grayish tint to it. And this is different since it doesn't have a red hue or anything, and it's just all white. It is very similar to the iPhone X box. Both phones are embossed onto the cover, and the iPhone X does have the front view of the phone, whereas the iPhone 8 has the view of the back. On the side, it does have the iPhone branding, Apple logos all in red for the color matching, and on the back, this one is the 64GB variant on Verizon. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic from the iPhone. You do have a little tab right here. When you do open it, you have the Designed by Apple in California paper. Getting that out, you do have the red paper inside of it, some product red info, and it says, in partnership with Red, Apple will contribute a portion of your iPhone purchase to the Global Fund to support HIV/AIDS programs and help deliver an AIDS-free generation. Please learn more or donate at red.org. So the portion that is donated isn't specified by Apple, but it is going towards a good cause. You have your Welcome to iPhone guide, which basically tells you what the buttons do, the regulatory information, and the white Apple stickers. I wish they were red, but whatever. We now see the product red iPhone. This year it has a black front instead of the white bezels, and that beautiful red color on the back. It looks more like an Apple now. I wish they would have done it with the iPhone X, but it's probably difficult to color the stainless steel borders, whereas with the 8, the aluminum sides are just anodized. That red color is just so deep and vibrant. The color also changes depending on the lighting situation. We have our standard accessories, such as the lightning wired ear pods, along with the 3.5mm headphone jack adapter on the back, the 5-watt USB charging brick, which does not support fast charging. You will need to buy the 30-watt USB-C adapter. And there's the USB to lightning charging cable. I was one of the people that thought that the white front actually looked better, but the black is pretty good too once you see it in person. So let's power on the device. Alright, so now it says the hello, and you have to press the home button to get into it. I don't have my other device right now, so we'll just go ahead and set it up manually. So now it's going to activate. I'll go ahead and set up Touch ID later. So I'll set it up as a new iPhone for now. Setting up my Apple ID. Standard view, and that's it. We can get started with iPhone. Let's go ahead and see which version of iOS it's running. This one is on 11.3.1, which isn't the newest one, and the newest one right now is 11.4 at time of recording. One of the main differences with the iPhone 8 and iPhone 10 over the iPhone 7 or any other iPhone that has ever come out is the ability of wireless charging with the new glass back. So this means you can put it on any Qi wireless charger, or QI as it may be written out. So placing it on that will start charging the phone. Now the iPhone is capable of 7.5 watts of wireless charging, but you can use a USB-C fast charger that Apple sells with the 30-watt USB-C brick, also with the USB-C to Lightning cable. Over here I have a couple red items to compare it with for the color. Over here I have a red silicone iPhone 7/8 case. As you see, it's a lot more orange in color compared to the red. I have a red Lego. The red is definitely a lot darker than this red. I have a red iPad sleeve. So it is definitely more of a dark red color than, a more lighter shade. So this just gives you some ideas about how the red will compare with some of your accessories, or just how the red looks. Thanks for watching this video, and subscribe to the channel if you already haven't. If you have any questions or anything, comment down below, and also stay tuned for my iOS 12 coverage, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.